think we are going into our groups. I have Chipley's pack. There's a lot that you can be a part of. Feels like summer camp here. It's orientation day and I'm super excited. I didn't really get much sleep last night. I went to bed with a couple nerves, and this morning I woke up with a lot of excitement with my family, rushing in, saying good morning. We sat down and ate breakfast together as a family. We're all ready for orientation.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Today is the day.
I heard about Lander from my sister. She went there, she loved it. The most challenging thing I'll face is not having mom and dad close to me, making sure I had the clothes for the next day or didn't forget to submit an assignment. I know mom's really nervous about me leaving. I'm kind of her sidekick and everything, and she's not gonna have me there.
I'm sure they'll show you the laundromat and all kind of stuff too. I'm not sure while you're down there.
Yep.
We'll have to get our lots of quarters too to wash your clothes.
I don't think you need quarters for that.
I don't know. Do you have
That's
a
like
card down there that you
old
do it?
people doing
I don't
that.
know. Are you sad that she's gonna be going away? A little.
And a little bit.
Why are you gonna be sad?
You the baby, little girl,
The last one.
last one.
Ooh. It's real, Emma.
Is it
Yeah, I can
sad?
remember having you.
Mm-hmm.
We tried for 10 years to have a second child, and you came along, and now we're getting her ready to go to college and got to be moving off. You're going to miss us, I think, a lot. Mm-hmm.
Not too much. Gotta study. Gotta.
Study.
And leave the boys on the side.
Okay,
focus on
don't
school.
talk about that. Oh my God. We are heading to orientation and we stopped to pick up my friend Riley on the way.
Hey, my name is Riley. I'm attending Lane University as well.
Say hey, Mom.
Hey, we're almost there.
We are pulling in at Lander and we're trying to figure out where to park. My first impressions of Lander were everybody made you feel very comfortable when walking in. And they made sure everybody knew what they were doing. It was perfect. Meeting people in our groups is definitely going to benefit me in the fall when we come and have those connections already. I loved the cheering and yelling as I walked in.
What do you think?
I found forever away. I love the sheets of the car too.
Hey everybody, we're about to go into orientation, meet everybody and listen to them, and then I think we are going into our groups. I have Chipley's pack and I have Laura's legacy. We can't wait to hear from all the people.
I was really surprised at how many came and where they came from.
We provide so many opportunities, so many things for you to do. There's no way that you should call home and say, I just haven't found my group. If you find yourself in that situation in the first, second, third week or whatever, come find me.
Yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped, shooting my shot. Oh, 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 yeah, I'm the one.
I love the orientation dance.
Get what I want.
We were killing ourselves laughing.
On top, can't be stopped.
Number 5, Chipley's pack.
Shipley's pack, bright red over here.
I'm a legend. Get what I want.
There's a couple of things with financial aid that we still want to tighten up those loose ends on. I just want to make sure that we have everything, all our T's crossed and all our I's dotted. I was able to speak to an actual financial aid counselor today. I was very pleased with that and was surprised that I was able to leave today with the answers that I had.
Splitting into groups and like just being able to bond with different people was the best part. We played a couple get to know me games. I just loved that and being able to connect with others and talk to them. It was just fun, just being able to cut up and laugh.
Emma is getting ready to go to the pool party. I'm sure she's having a great time with everybody, cooling off.
It was really hot outside, and it was just a long day, and I just didn't really feel like getting in. Being able to chat with friends and like catch up, it was just kind of relaxing. While I was at the pool party, my mom was at Good Times Brewing.
We are kind of soaking in everything after today, after getting all that information. No! We're just going to chill and have a little bit of supper maybe.
She said she had a blast, and she laughed so much.
Oh my goodness! I spoke to several moms today, and I think the main common thread, it's exciting, but I also think that it's scary for all of us. Some moms are first-time moms at this. The change for them is something we all have in common.
Staying on campus overnight at orientation was fun. Like it just feels like summer camp here.
Looking most forward to being in a sorority.
During lunch we met the Greek life people. I'm deciding between the two sororities, Phi Mu and Zeta, and I follow them on Instagram and keep up with them. Today we are coming up with a chant. We were like trying to look it up on ChatGPT, trying to get one. Give me 2 claps and a Bearcat roar.
I just hope it's a lot of laughter, a lot of fellowship. It's allowing her to step outside of that comfort zone, trust herself a little bit, and have fun. Community is something big that Lander's trying to introduce to them when they come in. Emma actually had several offers from other colleges that she applied to. She actually had a full ride to a college that she turned down to attend Lander. She would say, "Mom, I don't want to be a number. I want to be a person and them know be my name." And I feel like her going to Lander and her making that decision, she will be.
Lander definitely is a tight-knit community, and that's what I love about it. I love how it feels like Lawrence, like my home. There's a lot that you can be a part of, and they're very welcoming and want you to have your own voice and everything, and I just really love that about Lander.
I think it just kind of gives her a little sneak peek into what's to come in August when she moves in. I think she's going to do great, and I feel very comfortable leaving her here.
So today's move-in day, and this morning I woke up, we packed everything, and I think I brought too many clothes and shoes, but that's fine. Certain amount of shoes. Get this bag and my bag, and I'll come back for the rest. I think I have everything.
We can leave some home and come get it over the weekend. Oh my gosh.
There's more too up there.
Oh Lord, Emma.
Here.
Let's start here. No.
Oh my God.
All right, let's go try and let's start loading up the car some.
Okay. These clothes can go in my car. Maybe put that in the back seat. It won't fit. Perfect. I think I brought too much stuff.
I think you brought way too much. Okay. One down, 50 more to go.
Sit down.
Tell her bye. Tell her bye.
Come here.
Come here.
Come on. Okay. Just another load. to go to CVS, pick the pictures up, but it's going to take forever to put all this stuff away because there's.
Sure you got everything?
I think that's everything.
I don't think we could get another thing in these cars. Let's go to college.
We made a pit stop at CVS to get some pictures for the dorm room.
Make sure you wear your t-shirt on Friday, okay?
Okay.
All right.
And now we're unloading. Sorry. Oh, no, you're good. Oh my gosh.
I like yours too. Is it the crisscross chair from TikTok?
Oh, he's the TikTok king. He loves it.
For real? I saw one of them. I can't remember.
I'm not with you, so we're gonna be on there.
Yay. Okay.
Here we see the vision, girls. It's
Yeah.
still like stuff.
Because if we. No boys.
No boys.
You go that way and I'll go back to your car.
Beautiful. Yes.
You're going to do great. I'm excited for you. I'm just a phone call away. Just call me if you need anything.
I love you.
I'm coming back this weekend, so don't worry.
We're gonna be fine. Huh? So we're gonna be fine. We are. It's gonna be just fine. So.
Okay, ready? Look up. Yes, that's fine. 1, 2, 3.
This is cute. I just ate bubbles.
That was amazing.
I'm Rich Cosentino. I'm president of Lander University. And this freshman class is the largest it's ever been in the history of the institution. As your president, I'm saying, can we agree just on one goal? For the next 30 days, do not miss a single class. And if you develop that discipline and that skill, you are going to be so successful. You're going to have the life that you and your parents have always dreamed about. I'm thrilled that you're here. Come by, see me, stop me, tell me how you're doing. Let me know how I can help you. And welcome to the Lander family.
I came in with jitters and just all shook up, but from the first day of orientation, I felt safe and connected with others.
I'm super excited to come back in the fall and feel so much more comfortable than I did.
It was astounding at how much they have going on in such a short period of time. And I think the Summer Love shows in all the new facilities they're building. The nursing building that's coming up, Emma will actually get to be one of the first ones to go into that.
It's going to be an experience. I can definitely see myself here.
They have the student in mind, they have the education in mind, and that's very important.
Me and Mama's gonna miss Emma.
I see myself calling this place home for the next 4 years. I'm so excited to be a Bearcat this fall.